Hey there, my name is Lukas and I'm a product manager at Talkpush, and I would like to tell you a bit more about our new API, because we know growing tech stacks can be very difficult, especially in high volume recruitment. So that's why we updated our API to help you keep your tech stack lean and to make our technology work for you, starting off with the messaging API. With the messaging API, you can send messages to your candidates via Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS, or email to take on lead re-engagement at every step of the process. And with the new lead search API, you can find the candidates to whom your messages are most relevant. Then we've got the new campaign API, letting you create new campaigns inside the CRM as well as retrieve existing campaigns inside the CRM, making it much easier to keep your ATS and the Talkpush CRM in sync. And lastly, there's the updated lead API, giving you more capabilities such as assigning or reassigning leads to different users or moving candidates between different campaigns. So we're really looking forward to having deeper connections with your systems, and make sure to check out our API documentation, which is up on our website. Thanks.